In this video, I'm going to take you through the functions available in the Lightning note view. When you first turn on Lightning, you start off in the chord view. To get to the note view, we're going to use the soft keys. So we're going to press in the center of the screen. Now you'll see the category soft keys at the top and the action soft keys at the bottom. There's another video on using the soft keys, so I'm not going into any additional detail on that here. What I am going to do is make sure that the view category is selected, and then I'm going to press next, and that's going to take us to the note view. I'm going to press again in the center of the screen to dispatch the soft keys. So this is the note view, and it looks quite similar to the chord view. On the left-hand side, you see a set of indicators arranged in a circle that corresponds to these capacitive touch sensors here. And on the right-hand side, you see another set of indicators arranged in a circle, and that corresponds to these capacitive touch sensors. You also see that it tells you which key you're in. By default, it is C major or A minor. Those are the white keys on a piano. And you can use a menu item to select an alternate key. So for example, if you're following along with sheet music, you can look at the key signature on the sheet music, set the key signature Lightning to the same key signature, and then Lightning will automatically play the notes in that key as opposed to the notes in C major. On the right-hand side, these are the notes in C major, C, D, E, F, G, A, and B, and you can play each of those notes using the capacitive touch sensors here. As you can see, as you rotate around in a clockwise direction, it goes up in pitch, and as you go around in a counterclockwise rotation, it goes down in pitch. And when it gets to the end, you can ascend across octaves, or if going counterclockwise, you can descend across octaves. So Lightning gives you access to all the keys on a piano using these 7 capacitive touch sensors. Over here on the left-hand side, you can see various ways to override that default behavior. So you can flatten or sharpen a note. So let's start with A here. If we want a flattened A, all we do is press this capacitive touch sensor, and up here in the indicator we see it's selected, and that's going to go down a semitone. And likewise, if we want to sharpen that A, all we have to do is press sharpen A. So that's how A flat, A, and A sharp sound. The next set of functions here is down and up. This allows you to reverse the default behavior as it ascends and descends octaves. And this can sometimes be useful if you have a larger jump that you want to make, and that jump would be enough to send it to descend or ascend as opposed to going the direction you want. Again, I'll just demonstrate that quickly. So this is how it sounds by default. And now if we're going in this clockwise direction and we press down, it reverses the direction. So we're going up. You see how when I press down, it reverses the default behavior. And likewise, if we're going down and we press up, it reverses that. So it gives you a lot of control over that automatic ascending and descending mechanism. The next set of functions here on the left are octave down and octave up. And that's basically allows you to change the octave that a particular note is in. So if we want to go down an octave, and if we want to go up an octave, we press this capacitive touch sensor. And then the last function over here on the left is lock. And what that does is it allows you to just play with the same set of 7 notes here without the automatic ascending or descending functions. So that's how the note view works in Lightning.